Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Koppelt, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today I'm here in Peter's nursery for dahlias. But in Peter's nursery you cannot see only dahlia, you can see all other plants, and some of them are Lubera plants. Here I'm standing with a fantastic round bush of Morena fig, which is our variety, and it's perhaps the most fertile fig in our assortment. It's also very hardy here in Austria. It's becoming about minus 15, 16 degrees, also last winter, with a little bit of snow. And yeah, the plant is growing. It will not have such a big amount of fruits as normal years. The first fruits were ripening in August. Now some fruits are ripening on this year's wood, but most fruits of these varieties are ripening on last year's wood. And so this year there will be a little bit less fruit than normal years, but in normal years where you have only minus 12, 13 degrees, so no problem for UK, you will have hundreds, when not thousands of fruits, of ripened fruit of this variety Morena. And here you look at the variety Morena. It's very sappy, it's juicy, and it's red and fleshy. And you know, these are all flowers, and the flowers are going together. So these are all, so the fruit of fig is containing hundreds and thousands of flowers, which are looking at each other. And how is it eating? Perhaps too sweet even, very juicy and very sweet. Lubera's most fertile and productive fig, Morena. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera.co UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and now pick the flowers.